So today we're going to be addressing probably one of the biggest problems I've had since I started 3D printing, which is storage. Like, I own so much stuff for this hobby that kind of get away from me. Like, I own, like, this is like 10% of what you're seeing on screen of everything I use and have for 3D printing. But today we're going to use 3D printers to make storage for my 3D printing tools. Can't imagine there's a whole lot of other hobbies where you get to do that. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay offers PCB prototyping, PCB assembly, and now they're offering CNC and 3D printing services. Get started with PCBWay. It's as easy as getting your online quote, uploading your PCB file, you'll get an order review, payment, and then they'll offer you real-time fabrication tracking through their website. I want to say a big thank you to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the video. And there's probably over 200 hours of printing in this whole thing, and I'm still not even finished. I just have to get this video out so I can move on to a different project that I want to do. So it's just going to be a quick one, just kind of explaining the things I got and used and the ones I preferred. I'll leave links for everything in the description. One things I really enjoyed using was this Gridfinity system. So you have like these grids, you can drop these different size bins on it. You get bins, just like thousands and thousands of models online of different bins. And you can just put it together any way you want. I printed this off my P1P, so it didn't take that long, like comparatively. Still a lot of stuff though. This isn't even everything I printed. This is just what I could fit on the table again. I need to get a bigger table. I also went in with the honeycomb wall storage, which I'm still printing stuff out for. I'm trying to set up the way I like. But it's basically these like little hexagons that clip into like a back plate kind of thing that you can adjust and kind of set up any way you want. These are the back plates. Different hooks and stuff like that. There's like SD card holders, things like that. So yeah, it's about just finding what's right for you. I'm still working it out. But these are like the parts that mount it to the wall. I put one in each corner. It seems to work so far. Seems pretty strong. But yeah, the Gridfinity system, or the honeycomb wall storage, is a good solution. I would like to have an entire wall covered in it, to be honest with you. It's cool how you can customize it. You can change the color. So I went with like white and red. Some people go orange and black. Like, there's so many different options for it, and it is cool that way. So once you kind of like have it like mounted to the wall, you get these like little other hexagon pieces, and they can kind of clip into it, and you can set up any way you want, and then you put your hooks and different things into that. So this is the way I have mine set up. A couple of screwdriver holders, thing for holding my DeWalt charger, camera equipment, all sorts. These little bins I still haven't really found a use for. I might actually take them off and replace them with something else, but they're there now for now. These are like cable management stuff, my screwdrivers, my camera slider, car keys, nozzle changing tool, drill bits, everything go up on it. Like, there's literally parts for everything. Can of Monster, if that tickles your fancy. I leave that there in case of emergencies. But yeah, no, it is a good system. I would just like to expand and cover the entire wall in it though, and see how long that takes me to print. But yeah, we also had to tray cable management. So, you know, printed off these yokes for winding up cables. These are actually so handy for keeping cables in like your backpack or whatever. You know, I printed them off in pink. You can have them all different colors, so I went with pink for USB-C, and you know, I'll pick different colors for like different types of cables. So I guess like there's only one last thing to like kind of talk about. It's like, is this like very wasteful? Like, I wonder what the impact is, and I guess that's something I didn't really consider, but I can't imagine it's any worse than buying thousands and thousands or whatever of like storage little boxes and bins and stuff like that from like a big box store. Like, most of the stuff I printed is in PLA. I don't think I printed anything in any other like filament. So I don't know. If you guys like know anything about that, probably leave a comment down below and let me know. Like, is this really bad for the environment or whatever? Also, if you guys would like to see more 3D printing like projects like this, like kind of really quick ones, it's what I'm kind of thinking about doing, because I can't get sponsorship for printers, so I can't review printers every week, but we could do stuff like this every week. And if you guys see like new things that like you think I might like to try out or whatever, like just comment below. I also am starting a Discord, and I should be able to post about that like next week. We're starting a Discord that's like just for through people who are 3D printing, doesn't matter what printers you're using, anything like that. It's just about helping each other and like finding solutions for problems that we all have. So yeah, if you want to do that, just comment down below. And again, I want to thank the sponsor of this video, PCBWay. It means a lot to me to have like my first channel sponsor. So yeah, we're going to be doing a bigger video next month, but this was just a quick one to introduce you to the sponsor and keep you up to date with what I'm doing.